48, that means our male must be 84 minus 48, which would be, off the top of my head, unknowable, which would be 236. 36, okay? And then, now that we know this, we can figure everything else out. If 36 males are blue, that means the rest of the males are not blue. 64 minus 36, that's going to be an 18, 40, 28, 28. And then same here, 116 minus 28, 16, 6, 10, 86, 86, okay? So now we have all of our key numbers in a two-way table, and we can use that to use the other diagrams. Oh, it also wants us to calculate the probability of some ands. So what's the probability of male and blue? So male and blue would be 36 out of 200. And then what is this? Females who like blue. Females who like blue, this would be 48 out of 200. Probability of male or blue. So male. So this is male. This is or blue. Okay. So that's going to be the probability of male. Probability of male is 64 over 200, plus the probability of blue, which is 84 over 200, minus the probability of male and blue, so 36 over 200. Because remember, when we're looking at these numbers, this gets counted twice because that's in our intersection. So whatever this ends up being will be our probability. Okay. From that, we can build a Venn diagram based on however we want to do this. For example, we could make this blue. We could make this male. Okay, and then our blue males were 36. Our males who were not blue were 28. Our blue who were not males was 48, and then our females who were not blue were 86. And then the tree diagram we can make very similarly. We could say this is male. We could say this is female. We had a total of 64 males. We had a total of 136 females, 136 females. Okay, and then this would be blue, not blue, not. Okay, and of our males, the blue was 36, not blue was 28. Of the females, the blue was 48, and the not blue was 86. So then we're just taking this data, slicing it up in all these different ways. Cool. I personally find the table to be the most helpful. The table is the way that my brain works the best. So constructing this table helped me finish off the notation, and it was critical in making the Venn diagram and the tree diagram. So I recommend trying to use the table first and foremost to start solving these problems. All right, finally is our go section. And in our go section, it wants us to write conditional statements from the two-way table. So this is something we struggled with on the quiz, so let me just be clear on what we're doing here. So this would be, what would this be, 50? This would be 100, which means we have a total of 176, which means 35 plus 41, 91, boom, okay. So when it wants us to write three conditional statements, what I'm looking for you to do is to really focus in on those joint frequencies. So let's start with male. If you are male, you have a 50% chance to bike. for example. Okay, so if this, then I look at this. So go ahead and do that 3 times. You can do it with rows, you can do it with columns, whatever works for you. But I want to make sure that we're framing this mathematically. All right, that'll be it. Good luck, woodchucks.